Did you know over 70% of cold weather car breakdowns happen within the first 10 minutes of driving? Not on the highway, not during long trips, but right after you start the car and pull away. Every winter, millions of engines, batteries, transmissions, and brake systems are quietly damaged because drivers follow advice that sounds correct but is completely wrong. Cold weather doesn't just make cars uncomfortable. It exposes every weak habit you have behind the wheel. Today, I am revealing 11 cold weather car hacks almost no one talks about. Watch till the end, because one of these hacks alone can save you thousands in repairs. Let's start with the $100 worth hack. Hack number 11. Gently tap the brake pedal before driving off. In cold weather, your brakes are not behaving the way you think they are. Overnight moisture settles on brake rotors and pads, creating a thin layer of surface rust by morning. When you drive off without checking brake response, the first hard stop can feel grabby, delayed, or uneven. By gently tapping the brake pedal once or twice before moving, you scrape off surface rust and restore consistent contact. This also allows brake fluid to circulate slightly, reducing stiffness in cold temperatures. It gives you immediate feedback on pedal feel before you are in traffic. Many winter brake scares happen simply because drivers never wake up their brakes. This tiny habit improves safety, prevents uneven pad wear, and protects brake components from shock loads. Hack number 10. Let the suspension wake up before driving fast. Cold weather makes suspension components stiff, brittle, and far less forgiving. Rubber bushings harden overnight, shock oil thickens, and struts lose flexibility temporarily. When drivers hit potholes, speed bumps, or rough roads aggressively right after starting the car, those frozen components take the full impact. Over time, this leads to cracked bushings, leaking shocks, and noisy suspension parts. By driving gently for the first few minutes, you allow suspension components to flex naturally and warm evenly. This reduces impact stress and extends the life of control arms, sway bar links, and struts. Many winter suspension failures aren't caused by bad roads. They're caused by cold parts being abused too early. Letting the suspension wake up quietly saves you thousands in repairs over the life of the car. Hack number 9. Turn your headlights on before starting the engine. This sounds backward, but it's one of the smartest cold start tricks you will ever learn. When it's freezing outside, your car battery is chemically sluggish, meaning it struggles to deliver sudden high current. By turning the headlights on for 10 to 15 seconds before starting, you gently wake the battery up and slightly warm the internal plates. This reduces the shock load when the starter motor kicks in, which is when most battery damage happens. Mechanics in cold regions use this trick to extend battery life by years, not months. It also reduces voltage drop to sensitive electronics during startup. Do this every freezing morning, and your battery will thank you long after winter ends. Hack number 8. Lower the heater fan before turning the engine off. Almost nobody does this, and it quietly destroys heaters and electrical systems. When you shut the engine off with the heater blasting, hot, moist air stays trapped inside the heater core and vents. In freezing temperatures, over time, this damages blend doors, actuator motors, and blower bearings. By turning the heater fan down or off 30 seconds before shutting off the car, you allow moisture to evaporate naturally. This reduces fogging the next morning and prevents frozen vents. It also helps your heater work faster on startup. This habit alone can save you from expensive heater repairs that most drivers never see coming. Hack number 7. Crack a window before using the defroster. Most drivers blast the defroster and wait impatiently, but the real problem is not cold glass, it's trapped humidity. When you breathe inside a closed car, moisture builds up rapidly, especially in winter. That humid air instantly fogs the windshield the moment heat is applied. By cracking a window slightly for 20 to 30 seconds, you release moisture-heavy air from the cabin. Once that air escapes, the defroster suddenly becomes dramatically more effective. This reduces strain on the blower motor and prevents repeated fogging during short trips. It also improves visibility faster, which directly reduces winter accident risk. This tiny trick makes your defroster feel twice as powerful without touching any settings. Hack number 6. Shift through gears before driving off. Cold transmission fluid is thick, slow, and extremely stressful under load. When you drive off immediately in freezing weather, internal components are forced to move before fluid has properly circulated. By gently shifting through all gears while holding the brake, you allow fluid to flow through valves, clutches, and passages. This evenly warms internal parts and prevents delayed or harsh shifting. In automatics, this reduces clutch wear and torque converter strain. Transmission failures spike in winter, and most drivers never connect the damage to cold starts. This habit protects one of the most expensive systems in your car. Hack number 5. Avoid using the parking brake overnight in extreme cold. This is one of the most misunderstood winter habits. Parking brake cables and rear brake shoes are highly vulnerable to freezing moisture. When temperatures drop overnight, that moisture turns into ice and locks the brake in place. Drivers then force the car to move, snapping cables or destroying rear brake assemblies. Instead, park on flat ground and leave automatics in park or manuals in gear. If you must use the parking brake, apply it lightly rather than fully engaging it. Many winter brake failures are not caused by wear, they are caused by frozen components. Avoiding this mistake can save you hundreds in unexpected brake repairs. Hack number 4. Warm the engine for oil flow, not temperature. Most drivers still believe the engine needs to feel warm before driving, and that myth quietly destroys engines every winter. What your engine actually needs is oil movement, not heat sitting at idle. In freezing temperatures, engine oil becomes thick like honey and takes time to reach critical components. When you idle too long, fuel washes down cylinder walls, dilutes the oil, and accelerates internal wear. The correct method is to start the engine, wait about 20 to 40 seconds, then drive gently with low RPMs. This allows oil to circulate quickly and evenly while the engine warms under light load. Cars that reach extreme mileages in cold climates all follow this rule, and engines that don't usually suffer from sludge, ring wear, and premature timing component failure. Hack number 3. Turn off auto start-stop in freezing weather. Auto start-stop systems may save fuel on paper, but in winter they are brutal on your car. Cold starts are the most damaging moment for any engine because oil hasn't fully circulated yet. When start-stop shuts the engine off at every red light, you force repeated cold or semi-cold starts over and over again. This rapidly wears the starter motor, drains the battery, and stresses engine bearings. In freezing weather, batteries already lose up to half their efficiency, making the problem even worse. Many winter battery failures are directly linked to excessive start-stop cycles. Turning this system off immediately reduces wear across the engine. Manufacturers design start-stop to meet emissions targets, not to help your car survive harsh winters. Hack number 2. Start the car with everything turned off. Most drivers unknowingly overload their battery at the worst possible moment. When you start your car with headlights, heated seats, defrosters, and the radio already on, the battery is forced to power multiple systems while also cranking the engine. In cold weather, battery output is already reduced by up to 50%. By turning everything off before starting, you allow all available power to go straight to the starter motor. This results in faster starts and less strain on electrical components. Mechanics in cold regions swear by this habit because it dramatically extends battery and starter life. It's one of the simplest winter habits that makes a massive difference. Hack number 1. Flip sun visors down overnight. Scraping ice every morning is not just annoying, it damages your windshield over time. By flipping the sun visors down before parking, you create a physical barrier that reduces condensation buildup. This significantly reduces frost thickness by morning. Less ice means less scraping, and less scraping means fewer micro scratches in the glass. Over time, those scratches cause glare that ruins night visibility. This hack costs nothing and saves your windshield clarity for years. Drivers who use this trick notice faster defrosting and clearer glass instantly. Cold weather doesn't destroy cars overnight. It kills them slowly, quietly, and expensively through habits most drivers never question. If you want your car to start stronger, last longer, and avoid winter repair bills, these hacks are not optional, they are essential. If this video helped you, hit subscribe and keep your car alive no matter how cold it gets.